how to make a transparent header in Shopify. This is super simple tutorial video. In this video, I will guide you how you will be able to add transparent header or make your existing header to transparent. Okay, so just see, this is a very good website. Mostly people have a very good large banner. So what they want is they want their header to be transparent and would have some functionality like when they move their mouse over it, it turns white. So if you are looking for this type of video, this video is for you. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First thing first, we have to move to the Shopify admin. This is the home page, and then we have to click on this online store. Once we are on it, then we have a list of all the themes listed over here. What we need to do it, firstly I would suggest to duplicate your theme. What it does that if you write any bad code or put the code wrong, it will might break your theme structure. So it's very good if you make the backup copy of your theme. Okay, so once it's done, you have to click on this three dot, and then we have to click on this edit code button. Once we are on it, then now we have to go to the website. I have already created a complete transparent header file. This is the file. What we have to do is we have to scroll down. I will leave its link within the description box, and this is the all the procedure listed here is we are able to make the header transparent following this method. So what we have to do is once you are on this website, you have to click on this copy code button. It says that code is copied to clipboard. Go back to the Shopify store. This is the file. It's already get opened. So once what we have to do is, this is the section part. Right click on it and add new file. It will ask for the name. So let me go back. It's suggested that simply copy this thing and then go back to the Shopify. This is the site. Right click on it, add the new file, and hit the paste it over here and hit the enter button. Once the name is added, it will add the blank file over here. Now go back to this website, copy the code, come over here, and then hit the paste button. Once it's pasted, you have to hit this to save. Once the file for the transparent header gets saved, what we have to do, we have to move to the Shopify theme customization to customize the theme or make our header transparent. So once it's get reload, we see that the header is not transparent and it's fixed header with a white background. What we have to do is we have to click on this add section button, and then from here we have to write header style. This is basically a transparent header style, so you have to search this one and hit press on it, and it will add a header style file which will make our header transparent. So it's very easy on how you are able to add transparent header. Simply copy this code, uh, go to your theme sections, add a file, a new file to theme sections over here, and it's done. So it's a very easy tutorial. And one thing I would also teach you that you are able to change its color from these settings. Like let's set the color to red. If I set this color to red, it switch back to the red version, which is not looking nice. Let's turn back to the blue. If you add the banner in the background, and you can adjust the color from this. So if you are looking for any further help, you can reach me out on my WhatsApp, and I will help you out, or leave the comment below. I will record a video on it. Thanks for watching.